Logan, give me 5 colors.
Red, yellow, green, purple, orange.
Very good. Give me 5 animals.
Dog, cat, elephant,
Elephant,
cow,
cow.
elephant,
What else? Start with letter M.
monkey,
Very good. Give me 5 fruits.
vegetables,
Vegetables, no fruits. I want fruits.
apples,
Apple,
banana,
banana. What else?
tomatoes,
Mango.
tomatoes,
What else?
tomatoes,
What else?
tomatoes,
Yes, mana. Peach
peach,
and
grapes.
grapes. Good job.
Yay!
Give me 5 shapes.
Circle, square, triangle,
Cylinder, isa pa?
rectangle.
Rectangle.
Good.
Good job. You spell your name.
Log